5 spray settings are powered by cutting-edge technology to increase pressure. Rubber finger grips prevents any slippage or dropping. Comfort control lever quickly adjusts shower pressure for a more versatile experience. Includes a 72 inches hose to easily reach anywhere in the shower. Designed to achieve maximum performance within tank size and pressure limits. Includes wall mount and plumber's tape for seamless installation. Multiple finishes available to complement existing decor. Top reviews from the United States. A great installation to improve the shower of your RV. I had wanted one of this newer style Oxygenics shower head for the last couple of years. We had the older style in a previous trailer, but I didn't take it out when we traded in that RV for this one. For what they are, they're a bit pricey in my opinion, but I found this unit on a good Amazon sale price and went for it. Installation is not complicated, all I did was take the old shower head off and install this new head. I didn't need to change the hose as it was the same style. This unit, like many residential shower heads, has a selector for different streams and patterns for the shower water. All worked great with ours. I do like that it has a built-in lever, so to speak, on the backside of the unit. The lever is easy to use, and I was very pleasantly surprised when I found that in use if you use the lever it did not do that thing that RV showers often do, fry you with hot water for a few seconds when you restart the flow if you are saving shower water for boondocking like we like to do. It works great overall, and I definitely noticed a much better shower experience with even lower pressure RV park water output, usually the selling point of the Oxygenics brand, better pressure while saving water. I highly recommend the brand, and this unit in particular, if you are wanting a more residential showering experience in your RV shower.